Reflective Journal. Introduction. This resource is about introducing the topic of reflective journaling. What is a reflective journal? Why do you use it? What are the benefits of using a reflective journal? What is a reflective journal? A reflective journal is a place where you can keep a record of your thoughts and feelings about your learning experiences. You can use text, images, audio, video. Remember, it does not need to be all text. Why should learners use it? Reflective journals encourage students to think critically about what they have learned, helping them analyze concepts more thoroughly. What are the benefits of using a reflective journal? Connecting ideas, improved retention, strengths, weaknesses, personal growth, active learning, and goal setting. Connecting ideas. Writing reflections helps learners connect new knowledge to prior learning, making abstract concepts more meaningful. Improved retention. Reflecting on material reinforces learning, making it more likely that students will remember and understand the subject in the long term. Strengths and weaknesses. Journaling helps learners evaluate their own skills and areas where they can improve, leading to better self-assessment. Personal growth. Reflection encourages students to understand how they respond to challenges, promoting personal development and emotional intelligence. Active learning. By reflecting on their studies, learners become more engaged in their learning process, taking ownership of their progress and development. Goal setting. Reflective journals help learners track their progress over time, encouraging them to set personal and academic goals based on their reflections. Mistakes. Learners can use journals to reflect on challenges or mistakes they encountered and how they can approach similar problems differently in the future. New perspectives. Writing about experiences helps learners see situations from different angles, improving their problem-solving strategies. Writing practice. Regular journaling helps learners improve their writing abilities, making them more articulate in expressing their thoughts and ideas. Clarity. Writing reflections forces learners to organize their thoughts clearly and concisely, which is valuable for effective communication in both academic and personal contexts. Stress relief. Reflective journaling provides a safe space for learners to express their feelings of stress and anxiety, helping them process emotions and relieve tension. Self-expression. It allows learners to articulate their emotions and thoughts freely, fostering a greater sense of emotional awareness and resilience. Habit. Journaling instills a habit of continuous reflection, which is a valuable skill for lifelong learning and self-improvement beyond the academic environment. Adaptability. Learners learn to adjust their approach to challenges through reflection, making them more adaptable in a variety of situations. Tracking progress. Seeing their own growth over time can motivate students to stay focused on their academic and personal goals. Achievements. Journals allow students to reflect on and celebrate milestones, which boosts motivation and confidence. Final thoughts. Overall, a reflective journal helps students become more thoughtful, self-aware, and proactive in their learning journey. It encourages continuous improvement both academically and personally, making it a valuable tool for student success.